In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on Quantower. Now to do this, there's a few different ways, but the easiest one is going to be to simply scroll with your mouse. So if you scroll up like this, as you can see, it's going to start zooming in, and then you can go and basically go around the chart by clicking and dragging, and that way you can zoom in by scrolling up or zoom out by scrolling down. That's the first way to do it. But then for kind of more advanced zooming, you can also go ahead and hold down the control key on your keyboard, and when you hold down your control key, you could go and use the scroll wheel on your mouse and you can extend it like this and kind of zoom in and out like that. Or you could go here to the right and you can basically just click and drag this to kind of shrink it or to extend your chart, which is kind of zooming as well. And you can do the same thing here at the bottom. As you can see, if I go ahead and move around, I can just move it, and when I click and drag, it's also going to zoom in or zoom out. Okay, so those are kind of the best ways to do this, and yeah, I think that's all you need to know. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.